We're going to work through word processing lesson 13, inserting and formatting pictures. Remember to name your file and place it in the proper folder. We're going to insert a header with our name to the left and right align the title of the document. We're going to go ahead and get back into the body of the document and then go to File, Page Setup to change the orientation to landscape. Next, we want to add a cube to our desk space. So what we need to do in Google Docs is go to Drawing, and we're going to use the same type of cube that we did to make the tree in a previous lesson. So Shapes, Cube. We're just going to estimate that it's about 3.5 inches high by about 9 inches wide. As long as it looks about like this shape of a desk, we're fine. We're going to fill the color of our choice. After filling the color of your choice, you want to make sure that the line weight thickness is 1 pixel, which is preset on our Google Docs. We're going to place the cube in the lower half of our page. We're now going to add pictures or clip art to populate our desk with things like a laptop, eyeglasses, pencil holder, and coffee mug. We want to use images that have a transparent background, and honestly, we probably should use the ones that say clip art on our Google search. So when you click on the picture icon, it will open up this image or window. You're going to start with upload, but we actually want to search. And when we search, we're going to type in laptop first. Notice up here it has any type, and then it has also colors that you could choose. Click on any type, and I want you to go to clip art. This should give you images that don't have a background behind it. Some of the ones that look like they don't have a background actually had a white background, and so they wouldn't work as well. So I'm just going to choose this one and add it to my desk. I have to resize it in order to fit it on my desk properly. May need to make it a little bit smaller. That makes me feel better. Now we need to find some eyeglasses. Now I had to try this a couple of times to try to find something that didn't actually have a background to it, and you may find this to be a problem for you as well. If it shows up with the checkerboard behind it, that means there's no background. If it shows up with a white section behind it, it's going to show up as this white square on your desk, and I don't think you're going to like that. So just letting you know, you may have to try the glasses a few times until you get something without a background. So we have 2 more things to add, a pencil holder and a coffee mug. I should have picked something that looks like tea because I don't like coffee. Okay, that is all of the things that we were supposed to add to our desk. A pencil holder, coffee mug, laptop, and glasses. You might need to rearrange some things on your desk. There is one more thing that we're going to add. We're going to add a picture and put a frame around it. So we're going to need to go and look for a picture of a person. So I think I'll look for a baby. And this time, maybe I would prefer to have something that's not Clipart. I want something that's an actual photo. Now I would like to put a frame around this picture. So just like we did with shapes before, we're going to find a shape, and I think I'm going to use one with bezeled edges or rounded corners. And then I'll put that around the picture of the baby. I want to make it transparent, and I'm going to need to move it to the back. I'll do that in a second. We're going to change the pixel weight so that it looks more like a frame. I think I'll pick 4 pixels. And then this, I'm going to make it transparent, so now we see through it. And I'm going to actually try to join these two things together. Remember, if you're holding the Shift key as you use your arrows, you can have more finite movement in your Google Doc. And then I'm going to draw a square around both pieces. Go to Actions, Group, and then I should be able to move the two pieces together and put it onto my desk. When you're happy with your desk layout, go ahead and save and close. It will show up on your screen, and we can resize it from here. To fill the page a little bit, and then you can submit it to me. I need to move the positioning arrow and the header because it was set when we did the page layout of portrait. We've since changed it to landscape. So I did fix that, and I want to put the lesson number in front of dynamic desktop, and this was lesson number 13. Have a great day.